Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I guess we were discussing about the module 5 of research methodology, and today we'll start design registration trend in India. And I would like to request everyone to subscribe, and more than 87% of students who are watching my videos, they're rarely watching, they're taking a lot of hours, okay, but the thing is they are not subscribed. Please do subscribe, which will motivate me to do more videos on different subjects also. So design registration trend in India. So here if you just see the trend we are going to discuss in this topic, like how exactly how many, there are three terminologies in this topic. We are having the designs which are filed, okay, how many designs have been filed, how many designs have been examined, and how many are registered. That has to be that has what you call from year to year how it is happening. That is the trend. Okay, so here the trend is taken from 2010 to 2020, that is 10 years trend. Okay, so we are having a figure here, and we have to draw that figure, and we have to make sure that, and these three parameters, how they are varying from 2010 11 to 2019 20. So the what you call the 10 years, the statistics of industrial designs, which includes filed, examined, and registered for the period of 2010 and 20, you need to explain. So this is the diagram that you need to remember and practice it, because here we are having along x-axis we are having year, and along y-axis we are having industrial designs, okay, the number of industrial designs. So in 2010 and 11, if you are talking about the data of 2010 and 11, so the number of the industrial designs which are filed, okay, are around 7,589. so you can just have a look at it. Okay, so that's 7,589, and then goes for the ID exam, or sorry, ID stands for industrial design. Okay, so how many have been examined? Out of 7,589, 6,277 were examined. Okay, that means not all who have gone for registration were not examined, because initial stage only they have been rejected. And then here the number of ID filed, that is, or you can say the ID registered, sorry, the filed is this one 7,589, and examined 6,277. Now finally how many registered? 9,206. Now you might ask the question, how can people go only 7,889 people will register, and examined definitely it has to be lesser than that, and registered has to be even lesser than this, right? So how is this number is more here? So this is because it's coming from the previous year. So some of the IDs filed are actually registered not in that year. It would have been in the previous year. Okay, so that is the reason only you can see that in 2010. Okay, so next you are going for 2011-12. You are having almost 6,511 are registered, and 590 are registered, and 6,511, just shortage of around 79 were not registered, if I'm not wrong, right? Rest everything was registered, I guess. Yeah, 79 were not I guess maybe rejected, and more than almost, if you are seeing, it's just 79 difference from registered to examined, and then filed it's again more, that is 8,373. so that always comes from here to here, here to here, and here to here. Okay, and finally whatever the registered is, the number will be there, that will be less in number. Okay, so that's it about this, and we are having we just have what we have to observe is here in this entire period. So during this period what happens, an increase of 88% 111 17%, 33% was observed in the parameters of designs which are filed, examined and registered. So for example, what is filed? How many were filed in 2010? Okay, filed were 9,206, right? And here how many are filed? 1,200 and filed is here 7,589, and here the filed is around 14,272. If you divide it by and multiply it into 100, it will be around 82%, I guess 88%. Next we are talking about examined. So here examined were around 6,277, and when you compare here, it is 13,644. That is like more than 117, 100%. It is 117. Next, speaking about the registered. Okay, so here the registered is the last parameter, that is has gone only 30 up by 33%. So registered, okay, this is the triangle shape, and 9,206, and here you can see it has gone just 1 2 2 6 8. Okay, so finally the registration to happen. So initially they will file it, and then they will examine it, and finally the registration has to occur. Okay, so here what I was explaining was symbol was difference there. So here whatever you file, the ID file, that definitely that will have the more this thing. Okay, next we are having all the three parameters. The graph depicts a similar number, or you can say, or more or less you can say same, with the highest number observed in 1920. Okay, so you can see compared to all the years, 1920 data is more. Okay, for designs which are filed around design filed around 12,268, examined around 13,644, and registered 14,277. So that's it. That's the end of the topic, and next we are having international treaties that we'll discuss in the next class.